Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I'm changing out, you could say upgrading, can lights at my house. And these are the old ones. They attach inside the can like this. These little things scrape up against the inside of the can walls. I did have LED bulbs in them. They're a little towards the yellow color. So I'm replacing them with these. This doesn't have a bulb, it has an LED that is built into the fixture, and these are a little whiter. And you're also saving the energy over incandescent. Incandescent would have been 75 watt bulbs, and these are about 9 watt bulbs. So anyway, I did a little bit of this at first, and it was kind of tricky until I got these. Now these are little pieces of hardware that attach onto the walls of the can, and they provide little ears there and there that will, one second, here's one of the new ones out of the box. What those little ears do is you squeeze these wires, which are spring-loaded wires. I'm trying to do this with one hand, and let's use the other side. You squeeze these together like so. Okay, squeeze them together, shove them up into where these little ears are, and I'll show you once I get it up there. And it holds the whole kit and caboodle up there pretty tight. If you try to do it with just these springs rubbing onto the sides of the can kind of wants to slide down. And I tried it that way, and it just was very frustrating. It took a long time to get one to stay up there where it should stay up. And this is what you need to do the trick. I'll put a link in the comments. Okay, so let's take this over. I've already done a few of these. There's one that I did right there, okay? And I've already got this halfway disassembled, and that's okay, because the way this comes down, the old one with the bulb, you just unscrew the bulb, you put your fingernails around the edges of the can, and you pull the can down. And then at the top of the can, I will go back to my temporary work table here. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Let me go back. At the top of the old can, climbing up here, this one's kind of high. All right. At the top of the old can, you squeeze these two little spring steel things, and then the old lighting fixture comes off. This is the can. This is what we're talking about, the can. The can, this one already has one extra piece of hardware installed right there. You see, you just slide it up on the edge of the can. And if your can has a lip on it, you can actually take this, instead of sliding it on the edge, you can take a screw and screw it into the wall of the can. I'll show you that on one of these other ones. So here's one. Now, if your can does not have a lip, you slide this on the edge of the can. It's got a couple little sharp punch outs, and that's what makes it grippy on the edge of the can, those little sharp cutouts. And this is where the wire goes, in between where my finger is. Now, if your can has a lip on it and this won't work, you just take it and put it onto the inside edge of the can, and you just put one screw in there like that. If you do it that way, take a punch and punch a hole to start. Just punch a dent. You probably won't punch a hole. Punch a dent, and then use a small drill with a 90-degree angle on it and drill the hole that you're going to use for the screw, okay? Because you're working inside a small area there, so you need a 90-degree tool. I'll put a link to it, and then you would drill into the sideways into the side of the can. So now I'm ready to put this other one up there, and then we'll show you how it attaches. That's going to be a heck of a trick because I really need two hands. I'll just show it to you afterwards, I guess. So see right there, I didn't shove it up yet, but you put it 180 degrees opposite the other one, which is out of the picture, but it's up there. So you put them right across from each other, and then take your fingers and you shove up on these two things. You wiggle and shove it up. Wiggle and shove it up. There, it's almost on there. I'm gonna use two hands and get it all the way. It's got like another less than a quarter inch to go, okay? Okay, now I've got both of them up there. I've got that one right there, and I got one right there. So now I'm gonna screw in my new fixture, and then I'm gonna squeeze the wires, hook them into those two little ears, one side at a time, then squeeze the other side. I'm gonna need two hands for this, so you just have to, I will describe as best as I can. Squeeze them together, get them hooked inside the little ears, and then let it go. And then you shove the fixture up, okay? Yeah, okay, so there's the new fixture screwed in to your existing wiring. And then I'm gonna squeeze those two, put them in those ears, and then do the other side. And a little funny thing going with my exposure, sorry. Okay, so there it is with one side only hooked, and I'm gonna do the other side now. Okay, so I got the other side hooked like that, shoved it up, and now it's done. And you can just move it like probably an 1/8 inch here or there this way to make sure it covers the hole in the drywall. And this is made for a 5-inch or a 6-inch can. If you have a bigger hole, then you might not cover the whole hole, but you have to buy a different lighting fixture that has a bigger surround on it. Okay, so there you go. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out, bye-bye.